Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to view Indeed job assessment results. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you just have to download the Indeed application from your iOS app store. Just go to this application right here and download it. So I've already done that, so I'm just gonna click open. And now you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. So I've already logged into my account. So I'll just click on my jobs at the bottom navigation bar on the application. And here you can see your job assessments from interviews tab. So yeah guys, if you have applied for jobs and gave interviews, it will show you your assessment results here once you have done enough interviews. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon.